Okay, a little more update on the golf cart. As you can see, I got the brake shoes removed, and this is the reason why the axle was locked up, because the lining fell off of the backing plate and it was wedged in there. This was the other side. Part of this lining was stuck to the drum, which I was able to get it removed. But anyway, I got some new brake shoes ordered. The rear axle now spins, so it'll roll. Here's what's left of the old drive belt. Somebody just burnt the living crap out of it, which is probably because the brake shoes locked up. So they just kept running it, trying to keep it moving, which obviously didn't work. So now, I did get another set of rear tires put on it. But anyway, now it rolls easy. And you see I got the clutch pulled off, getting it cleaned up. This isn't too bad a shape. Here's the cover. Here's all the little pucks for it, which these all look like they're very little wear on them. All of these are in like almost brand new condition. See, it's the Comet Duster. That's all good to go, which I'm going to wait until I get the drive belt before I put that back on. Make it easy just to slide it back on here. I did get a new starter belt, so that's good. Oh, what else? I think that's about all. I took off the old busted 2x6 front bumper. I'll get another one. I was able to save the ends on them though. That's pretty good. The headlights, those don't work. I think the bulbs are burnt out. I was able to check the rear lights. Of course they're yellow, but actually both of those are lit up. So anyway, little update. I'm waiting for some parts to come in before I can take this for a drive. I'll post more later. Alright, I got the new drive belt. Got it clutch all put back together. Right now I just got a temporary gas tank because I haven't gotten that one cleaned out yet, so this is going to work good enough. And I'm ready to go take this thing for a drive, see if it works. Alright, forward. Let's see what happens. It runs, it lives. Oh yeah. Not too bad, actually. This thing's quiet. Take it down the road, see what it do. Let's see if reverse works. Oh no, this thing goes pretty fast in reverse even. All right. Oh. Unbelievable. It lives. It lives. Oh, this thing's about to fall off. I need a new rivet there. But cool. Cool. The little golf cart runs. Oh, let me show you something that I did here. Oh, man, that's heavy. I added this little tailpipe onto the muffler, and I got it shooting out the side here. And this heat shield protecting the battery and some of the wiring. And the little, god damn it, the little butterfly valve in the exhaust, I was able to get the pipe off, and I just took the flapper off, so it just has a shaft in there now, which it's working just fine without it. I'm not going to worry about replacing that. I don't see anywhere on the fuel line where it's leaking other than where I've got it attached to the hose, and I think that's just the hose right there is the problem. That's just this hose ain't fitting on here right, is what the problem with that is. Cool. Drive belt works perfect like it's supposed to. Clutch is working. Excellent. All right.